Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today I am showing you guys how to make balsamic glazed chicken thighs. If you want to see it, stay tuned. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you. I appreciate it because you will be able to see all my future videos. Without further ado, let's get started with this juicy, moist, delicious chicken thighs recipe. To get started, you will need to start cleaning your chicken thighs. Now, I am using salt and lime to clean the chicken. You can use lemon as well as some vinegar. The lime will definitely make your chicken taste extra delicious and it will give it some extra flavor. Rub the lime all over the chicken. Also remove any feathers. Once you're done cleaning your chicken, you're going to rinse it. Now, with the cleaning process, I am looking for all those dirty white skin part on the chicken. I hate that part. I have to clean it. So that's why I am cleaning my chicken. For those of you who's gonna ask, do you have to clean it? Yes, I have to clean it. You don't have to clean yours if you don't want to. For me, it's a must. Once you're done, you're going to rinse it with regular water, room temperature water, and make sure you wash your hands really good. Once you're done, wash your sink, wash all over the counter where you was cleaning the chicken so you don't get sick. Okay, use some bleach or whatever you clean your sink with. Make sure you scrub it, remove any germs, bacteria from the chicken so you don't get sick. Even the sink, even the faucet, everything. We're going to season our chicken. I am using 1 tablespoon of salt. By the way, you guys can see I'm using 4 chicken thighs. So I am using 1 tablespoon of salt. Make sure you add it on both sides. Then we will add our ground black pepper. Okay, I noticed the fresh ground black pepper will definitely make a difference in your food. Try not to buy the pre-made one. Try to buy the one with the grinder. It'll taste better. All right. So now this is the time for me to add the balsamic. I am going to add 1 tablespoon in there. Now, once I am done, I am going in with half a tablespoon of dry mustard. Then I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Now, I will be adding about half a tablespoon of paprika just because I want a nice color on my chicken. So I'm adding the paprika. Then I'll be adding half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Once you are done, make sure you mix everything together. Make sure the seasoning is well combined all over the chicken. Now we're going to bake the chicken right away, or you can let it sit for about 30 minutes. But I am going to bake mine right away. I am going to make sure I spray the baking dish that I am going to bake the chicken in. Then we're going to place the chicken on there, skin down. Okay? Skin down. Place it on there. We're going to bake the chicken on 420 for exactly 40 minutes. Okay? This is what it looks like before we bake it. Now we're going to place it in the oven for 40 minutes. on 420. This is what it looks like. Yes, it had some juice. I had to pour it out. And of course, I'm gonna use the juice for something else because it tastes amazing. Now what I am going to do is flip my chicken over. Just like that, just flip them over. Now you're going in your oven, turn on the broiler, okay, the broiler, the broiler from the oven. Just turn that on for about 5 minutes. Place your chicken back in. 5 minutes later, boom, you have yourself the most delicious looking chicken. And yes, it tastes delicious. And let me tell you, this chicken right here was so juicy. You will see. I will show you guys. This is it right here, how juicy this chicken is. Let me zoom in for y'all. You see it's glycerine. That means there's juice, there's water. Ugh. This chicken was so amazingly just so good. Try this out. Let me know what you guys think about this chicken, and trust me, you will love it. Do not forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed after watching this video, please hit the subscribe button as you're watching right now. Give me a thumbs up if you find the video helpful, and I will see you guys very soon in a new video. Okay, bye.